A single leak or a stubborn clog can disrupt your day and cost thousands if left unattended. At Service Experts, we bring licensed plumbing professionals to your door, equipped and ready to fix it right the first time. Our plumbers tackle everything: emergency leaks, burst pipes, drain clogs, water heaters, and sump pump failures using advanced leak detection tools and expert techniques. Every job is approached with the same precision and care. Whether it's repairing a toilet, replacing fixtures, or handling gas lines and main sewer lines, we deliver code-compliant results with efficiency and zero guesswork. Most importantly, fast service, competitive pricing, and our Service Experts guarantee. With membership plans covering preventative maintenance and priority emergency support, you'll never worry about what's under the sink again. A restored flow means no floods, no hidden damage, and better water efficiency. It means peace of mind and protection for your home's most essential systems. That's the Service Experts difference. Plumbing handled with care and accuracy. Ready for an expert to solve your plumbing problem? Schedule online today. Service Experts. Trained, certified, trusted.